What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Adrian, give me your heart in the building. You know, I'm here for you. I'll give you my heart if you just give me yours. I'm light skinned. Anyway, we're gonna check out some more show me the money. We're gonna continue, and as you can see, I highlighted to see who this was, and it's Layone, who I think I've only heard him on one track. I think he was a feature on one of the songs. So looking forward to this. You know, he's gonna get his time to shine on the channel. And to me, he's a new artist. So, without further ado, no, it's only a minute, but let's get it, baby. Layone. Musa. Hold on. Hold on, let's make sure everything is up on blast. Alright. Hold on. Before we get to the actual thing, cause he started off fast there. What is this dancing? Hold on. So you're running. Oh, whoa. That is unique. What the hell's going on? That is unique. Like the way he's doing that shit. Ooh. Ooh, that's just crazy. Oh, yo, he's destroying this beat, bro. This is heat, bro. You know he had fun with that, bro. He had fun with that. Give me a little bit more time. That's sick, bro. That's sick. That was sick. Yo, completely unique sound. Bruh. Completely unique sound Layone has. Definitely something that will be interesting to hear again in this season. You know, and honestly, the guy is different. He's definitely different. The dancing killed me. The running in the spot, and then on top of that, you know, the high pitch. So like, yo, shout out to Layone, man. It was a great performance. It sounded good. You know, he messed. That beat was hard, and he ran with that shit. And I have no doubt in my mind that he passed. I liked it. But yeah, guys, short reaction. You know, just wanted to see that. We're gonna hop on to the next guy. The reason why I'm not doing it all like 5 in one video, because I believe everybody deserves their own video, because this is how it is. It's only right. You know, it's only right. Everyone deserves their own reaction. So thanks for watching this reaction. Hit the like button and subscribe. Definitely leaving a like on this, man. I'm excited to check out more Layone in the future. Short video, as I said. I'm gonna be posting another one in like 5 minutes, so let's see who's next. See you now.